Okay, welcome back. So, abdominal breathing, so important in this exercise. So, let me show you. So, here's your core, here's your battery basically. Yeah? So here, behind the navel is where we're storing the energy, right there, inside navel. So, when we breathe in, when we inhale, yeah, we do reverse abdominal breathing. So basically when you inhale, yeah, we pushing the stomach in. So this is what we do. Let me show you. So inhale, exhale, push the stomach out. Inhale, in, exhale, stomach out. So as we move the hands up, we inhaling, tummy in, yeah. As we move the palms down, exhale, tummy out, yeah. Okay, let's try that. Okay, close your eyes, shoulder width separation, nice and relaxed. Tip of the tongue touching the ceiling, the roof of the mouth, yeah. That's very, very important. And if you could do this additional bit, which is basically your back passage, try to suck it in a little bit and keep it closed. Yeah? And I will explain why it's important to do that as well. Okay? So, nice and relaxed. Close your eyes. Remember, we're gathering energy from earth through the soles of our feet, all the way up back the legs and the spine, moving up to the head. Yeah? Then, when we push the hands down, we bring in the energy from the cosmos towards our crown chakra, meeting the energy that comes from earth, circulating in, and as we exhale, we move that energy down, that power energy down, we move it to the lower dantian, to the pattern. Yeah? Okay, close your eyes. Get that energy from Mother Earth and bring it all the way up. Inhale, tummy in, now get that energy from the cosmos, the beautiful energy which is stored in the cosmos, and bring it down. Exhale, tummy out. Keep the tip of the tongue touching the roof of the mouth. Inhale, tummy in. Energy in through the legs, to the spine, meeting the energy from the cosmos on the head, and then push it down as you exhale, tummy out, and store it in the lower dantian. Breathe in, energy in from the earth, tummy in, energy from the cosmos, meeting the energy from the earth and push it down, tummy out. Inhale, tummy in, energy in through the sole of the feet, all the way up the spine to the head, meeting the energy from the cosmos. Bring it down. As you bring it down, condense it. Bring it out to the lower dantian, condensing a little sphere, compress it, keep it there. Suck your anus in. Tummy in. Absolutely powerful. Absolutely powerful. I tell you what, you feel that energy flowing and you condense that energy inside the body. Which means that this is the effects that you feel. So you feel the tingling, you start feeling the tingling. It doesn't matter if you don't feel it first time. As you practice, you will develop that. Saliva will flow, yeah? And that saliva, in later exercises, I'll show you how you utilize it to cleanse your body. And that saliva is basically a beautiful nectar, which is so so powerful in healing. It's got so many healing properties. But the energy that you accumulating in here, okay, and it resting in here, and we condense that energy as, we can visualize that like a pearl, like a little sun, very powerful condensed sun, you know, the sun inside our body, little pearl, really compressed with energy which is there, ring fence, and then we can utilize later in some of the exercises. After you finish the exercise, and this is something absolutely important as well, half an hour before you do these exercises, please don't eat or drink anything. Yeah? And half an hour after the exercise, don't drink or eat anything. Okay? Thank you. I'll see you in a few minutes.